init. Let me see kung mabigat yan. Try mo yon. Morning world. Ano, Lifta? Yeah. Today is our flight going to Italy. And look at us. Kasi we're just gonna take the U-Bahn, the train, metro. Because sayang naman ang pera pag nag-taxi from here. Mahal din. Mahal din ang taxi. So, we're gonna take the U-Bahn and it's really not that, an hour. It's fine. We have time. Because it's just 9 o'clock in the morning. And andun kami ng mga lunchtime. Hindi pala 12 afternoon. After lunch. Mas madali ba ng ganyan? See the Jocelyn. Where we go? Where we going now? To the Spielplatz. Spielplatz. We're staying here.
Ja, wir gehen zum Spielplatz. Richtig. Bei dem Airport. Spielplatz bei dem
Bakit iba ang tubig mo?
Weißt du das?
Malamig. Tsaka gusto ito ako mamaya yun.
Papunta na kami sa airport na. Nasa Schnellbahn na kami.
New Schnellbahn.
New Schnellbahn daw. Bago ba talaga?
Oo.
Bago ba talaga? Parang pareho naman nung dati.
I heard my book separate from the new.
Sa airport na kami. And we're kinda early. So, the red, wala na yung, the red, the blue, wala na yung red. Wala na yung red. And we're waiting for the children for our gate. Kasi wala pa kaming gate. Masyado maaga. So, pinaglalaro namin ng mga kiddos dito. Asa na si Jocelyn? Uminom ba? Medyo 20 minutes pa. At least hindi na masyadong matagal. Oo nga. Love. Sa Italia. Yeah. Nasa bus na kami. Naka-board na kami. Magbo-boarding, yeah. Ito na kami sa airplane. Papas pa. Tara na! Sa Italia! This is our, This is not Austrian airline.
Yeah.
Huh?
They are working under Austrian.
So, this is our plane. Kain agad?
At mas picture up there. Picture.
Jasmine?
Grazie per l'attenzione, buona permanenza.
Where are we going?
Yes, good afternoon. My name is okay.
Are we flying?
On behalf of the entire crew and all of the I would like to welcome you on board this travel arrangement operated by your Velocity with destination lines. That operations are completed, so very soon we will be ready to repeat come to Spain. Our route today will take us flying immediately towards the south. We will fly south of Graz, then towards Ljubljana. From that right.
belongings on board. Thank you for flying with our Dolomiti and Austrian Airlines. We wish you pleasant stay and enjoy.
So, nakarating na rin kami sa Venice, sa Lido Diesolo Center. Now, pupunta na kami sa hotel namin. Nag-bus na kami ng isa, tapos isang bus pa ngayon. Baka iyan na dumadating.
Yeah.
Say Lola. Say Lola, hello. Nakmal. Biyawahi. Put it down.
Yeah.
Put it down. Ito ang aming maliit na room.
Sobrang maliit.
But, it's okay. It's cozy. It's a room. Toilet. Sana malinis. Yes. Maliit lang talaga. Pero okay na rin. Yeah, ito lang. The garderobe. The
Wheels on the bus.
the cabinet. And the two. Malaki naman yung bed. So, dito kami tatlo. Si Papa doon mag-isa.
Ha? Ikaw doon.
And ang veranda namin. Balcony is ayun na ang beach. Tapos eto na ang mga restaurants. Ito na rin. Kanyang kalapit ang ano. Meron ding laruan ng mga bata. Nang maliit lang. And
1, 2, 3. Video pala to. Ay, ganito na lang.
We arrived. Again, nag-beach na kami. Ayun, kakain kami. We are very hungry. Hindi kami nag-lunch kami pero ano lang, mga sandwich. Yeah, we will go here later. We will eat ice cream, Jayron and Jazzy. Sa restaurant. Lahat nga daw dito. Jaslyn. Kain na kami kasi gutom na kami. 6 o'clock na pala. Wow. Imagine, ang kinain namin biscuit tuloy. Sandwich at saka pizza margarita lang sa airport. Ngayon pizza margarita na naman for them. Gusto daw nila. Tapos spaghetti. Hindi bolognese, spaghetti oil and garlic.
Yeah, comme French pita with lemon. Kaya ba yes, mix it off.
Tapos namin mag-swimming. Gutom na. Tapos mamimili kami so that we have drinks and snacks at home, at the hotel. Two, three. I'll wait sa papi. I'll go. Yeah, we're all waiting for you. Jocelyn. Cheers. Uy, cheers. 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 Cheers, Jocelyn. Gutom na gutom tapos kauna-una itong bata. Grabe. Salad, dumating na. Pretty girl?
Yeah.
Buti na lang, maikli ang buhok ko kahit walang suklay, okay lang. Si Jocelyn ang Sharon. That's the pizza here is still hot. Okay? We will give you ano to? Walang kutsilyo? Hindi. Ayun. Yan ang pang natin. Okay. Yeah? The what?
Will we forget to film in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Sarap naman. Ito nating special. Maybe we're not gonna come back here. We're gonna test some other.
Oh yeah, I want to test the other restaurants. That's what I was really like it.
So,
Lapit lang,
Justin and Jaron. After dinner, syempre. Ice cream.
Doesn't stop. Let's just ask it. Saan tayo?
Ito. Di ba sa market? Papasok na kami sa supermarket. Malamig. Yan mga water. Umdrin. Come, just Jaron. Ayan, may mga juice. Ito. Wala in here. Did you get your juice already, Jaron, Jocelyn?
I know.
Si Jocelyn, duha siya. I told you it was there. Yun lang yun. Grabe. Hanggang talaga siguro. Asa nang sayo, Jocelyn? Sayo rin yan? Dalawa?
Yeah.
Wala ka pag kinuha. We can eat here tomorrow again, anak. Okay? What?
Let's walk in the 11 hour hotel.
I don't hear you, anak.
Hey, welche heute zum Morgen?
Ach so.
Ah, yeah.
Morgen sind wir noch da. Übermorgen sind wir noch
Yeah.
übermorgen.
Do you want to still go somewhere, Jiron? Or you want to go to our hotel already? Hotel already? Okay.
Ano na nga eh.
Ano?
Sa bar.
Ah,
May music tapos ang yan.
aming hotel. Pakikita ko sa inyo ang aming hotel. Maliit lang siya. Parking lot. May maliit na park. Parang lalaro. Gusto mo paglaruin muna natin sila sa park dito o hindi na? Pagod na si Papa. Kasi ito ang restaurant nila. Ito ang daanan papuntang beach at saka Spielplatz. Reception. Wala silang elevator, so kailangan umakyat. Wala. Love, gusto kong tignan yun kung pwedeng lumabas dun. Lamig. Teka lang, ilalagay ko lang to tapos.
Oh no.
Why?
Sobrang malamig.
Wait. Oh. Ikaw ang bawal. Magpalit ka na agad. Wait lang ha. Titignan ko kasi to. Itong hallway namin. Tingnan ko kung po pwede dito. Ano nakasulat? For smoking. Siguro. Kasi wow. Iba. May swimming pool. Pero hindi sa amin hotel yun. Itong front. Doon kami medyo sa gilid. Beautiful. And kahit na siguro mag-swimming now, it's still fine kasi napakainit ng tubig. Yan. Very nice. Very, very nice. Then, tara na sa aming room. Parang horror movie. Ng tao. Yan nga lang, pag nasa taas ka, Diyos ko po.
Customer, das ist so lecker, Jane.
Ito ang aming cute na
Das ist ja super.
room. Magulo na.
In der Badewanne wird. Weißt du, was das ist?
Jayron and Jocelyn, your sleepers. Your sleepers, please. Jocelyn, your sleepers.
Und weil ich habe gewusst, dass es dir schmecken wird, deswegen habe ich, schau mal, ein
So
großes.
gross. Ito ang bed ni Mama,
Und du hast da
Jayron.
Eine Karte.
Mm.
Diba?
Parang ano, yung sa Philippines, Nesty.
Sa Japan, diba?
Lip, sarap.
Diba?
Tapos dyan si Papa, wawa naman mag-isa.
No, my kids are gonna sleep with me.
Saan?
Dito.
Ito ang aming...
Just one.
Ha? Kakasya kayo? Sorry, magulo. Magulo na, pero liligpitin ko na yan ngayon. Yan ang aming ano. The CR. Yeah. The closet. It's fine. It's very nice. And sa labas, pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina, pero papakita ko ulit. This one. Ayun ang maliit na park. Ayan ang maliit na park. And the ang beach. Very nice. Very, very nice. Actually.
Lola, thank you, Lola. Thank you. That you give us the money. Thank you, Lola.
Show Lola what you bought.
Lola, look what I bought. Can I show it, Lola?
Yeah. Wait. Okay. I'll go.
See what I bought. This. Everything. From your money. And this. Jasmine bite.
Tapos say, I love you, Lola.
I love you, Lola.
Ikaw din?
Mama, I love you, Lola. Lola, I love you. Jasmine. Jasmine, come. Jasmine, come. High five. Eins.
Hi.
2, 3.